I am happy. I am a good friend. I am strong. I am smart. I am kind. I am helpful. I am brave. I am excited. I am creative. I am curious. I am a good listener. I am polite. I am grateful. I am a good student. I am important. I am loved. I am unique. I am funny. I am responsible. I am confident. I am caring. I am patient. I am a good singer. I am a good dancer. I am a good athlete. I am a good artist. I am respectful. I am honest. I am imaginative. I am a good reader. I am a good problem solver. I am a good writer. I am good at math. I am good at science. I am good at sports. I am good at sharing. I am good at making friends. I am good at telling stories. I am good at helping others. I am good at using my imagination. I am good at following directions. I am good at trying new things. I am good at taking turns. I am good at being patient. I'm good at making people laugh. I am good at using my manners. I am good at taking care of animals. I am good at organizing things. I am good at expressing my feelings. I am good at being myself. I am caring. I am patient. I am a good singer. I am a good dancer. I am a good athlete. I am a good artist. I am respectful. I am honest. I am imaginative. I am a good reader. I am a good problem solver. I am a good writer.